Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Rodlin, or Ro, or Rod, whichever. It doesn't really matter. But in today's video, I'm pretty much just showing you how I did my high ponytail on my type 4 hair. So if you want to see how I did this, you can just keep on watching. Perfect. For this hairstyle, the materials that I use are Eco Styler gel, any kind will do. I use this and got to be glued on my edges because my hair just drinks up gel. A brush, I use a toothbrush for my edges and it's broken. Don't judge me. A ponytail holder, I just got one of those rectangular ones and split it in half. And lastly, spray bottle with some water. I put some oil in my water because my hair is dry all the time. So the first step is to pretty much spray my roots with just water. So I go around the perimeter of my head and make sure I get all that nice and wet. Then I take some of the Eco Styler gel and I do the same thing I did with the water. Just put it all over the perimeter of my hair. Gotta get it all in there. And I use motions as if I'm actually brushing my hair so that it could just, everything can be where it needs to be already. Make it easier for me. So now we brush. And I like to brush it all the way up to where the ponytail would actually sit. Okay. And just go over any parts that I feel really need it. Okay. So then I take this beautiful ponytail holder and I cut it because when you have type 4 hair, it's not easy to get these things around your head, okay? Especially the way you need it to sit, it's just easier like this, okay? So take the ponytail, just wrap it around. And I start, let me just make sure. I start by bringing it up from the back. And I try not to move the front part until everything else is in place where I want it to sit. So what I'm doing now is, as I'm pulling it up, I'm just stretching out my hair a little bit so it can sit properly. There we go. So it seems like everything is good so far. So now we're just gonna fix up the sides. And now we're going to just gently tug on the front, while also pushing up the sides, tug on the front a little bit more, and wrap it around, tucking the side. So now take a little bit more water, spray it into my hands this time, and kind of saturate the ponytail a little bit, just to make sure it's not like all stiff and nasty. Get a little bit of ooh, my forehead's shining. Alrighty then. Now for this last step, we're pretty much done at this point, is to slick down them edges. First, I use the Hicks Total Transformation Edges. Healthy hair is most beautiful. And I use it just to pull out the little baby hairs. I don't have a lot left, so I'm not really showing, but it's just like a clear gel. Pretty much just pull out all the little while also using the excess to slick my hair down a little bit more and fix any spots that I see that need fixing. Also do it around the back. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my got to be glued and slick down the hairs that we just pulled out. Have a mirror here. I'm looking there and not there. Don't judge me for my broken toothbrush. It works, so. The real last step is to take out these little side pieces. And I like to put a little bit of the Eco Styler on it. Sometimes I put too much, like I'm doing right now. And then I'm forced to take some water and fix it. And then I wrap it around like a little curl. And it ends up looking like, you know, because shrinkage is not the nicest person to type 4 hair. You will just, you know, shrink up throughout the day, but that's fine because I love my hair. There we go on the other side. And that's it. I do my type 4 ponytail. I have like type 4 B/C hair. And a little one dread. Do a little wrap around. Anything that you feel needs to be fixed, don't be afraid to go away and fix it, but that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. And also, I don't really like using Eco Styler gel, so if you have any recommendations that will hold my hair, then you can just leave them in a comment down below and I'll be totally receptive. Please and thank you. I've been looking for months. But yeah, again, thanks for watching. Bye.